Hello. Today is our day 2 in Miyakojima, and today we are going to take our open water scuba diving license course.
We both actually have scuba diving experience, but none of us have ever had the time to actually complete the course yet. So looking forward to actually complete this course here in Miyakojima. And so the first step of the course is actually to complete an e-learning program, which we were spending last night cramming to try to finish in time for today. We are on our way to the diving center. We just filled out the waivers and the disclaimers before we can go diving.
A lot of forms to fill out because you have to make sure everything's fine, everything's okay. So, yeah, a little bit nervous now.
Are you guys ready? No. It's all right. Just gotta go. The first step is a basic swimming test. As part of the swimming test, we had to stay afloat for 10 minutes without touching the ground. And after that, we were finally introduced to all the scuba diving equipment and how to set them up properly. Finally, we got in the water to practice breathing underwater, as well as various basic scuba diving skills. So we just finished our training for the day. We learned a bunch of basic skills like how to set up our gear for the dives, as well as did a couple of dives and got some experience in the water.
So difficult for me. It's hard to control breathing deep in the water. I'm easy to get panic.
And we'll need to be back for day 2 for the second part of our course. Good morning again. Day 2 for our scuba diving course. Unfortunately, Dee Dee's feeling kind of sick, so she won't be joining us today and she'll have to continue her courses some other day. But I hope to get our licenses today. First step, setting up our equipment. Day 2 started with more advanced drills, like putting on all our equipment underwater. One of the harder exercises we did was taking off our goggles and putting it back on. Luckily, we were all able to do this without any problems. We also practiced various surface skills, so we knew exactly what to do after ascending from a dive. We continued our course underwater again with even more skills and navigation activities. After a short break to refill our air tanks, we were back in the water for the final dive of the day. For this final dive, we practiced more emergency skills, like the emergency ascent, as well as breathing with a free-flowing regulator. To cap off the day, we got to spend a little bit of time with the fishes, including 2 little cute Nemos who happily came out and greeted and even played with us. The last part of the course is a final exam, but the exam is in Japanese, so we're using Google Translate to help us out. And done. Hey. Thank you to our teacher. Yay! Yay! So we got our scuba diving licenses. After 2 hard days of practicing scuba diving, we have our licenses now and can go scuba diving with the open water license. Unfortunately, there's not enough time to go check out the awesome caves here at Miyakojima, but we had a great experience here practicing in the blue and clear and amazing waters. That's it for this video, but see you guys next time, where tomorrow we're going to Yabiji, where it is one of the best snorkeling spots in all of Japan.
Do our open water driving license. Oh, sorry.